Capital One Solar Spiker. Outside spiker from the National University, number 8, team captain Jorel Singh. Outside spiker from Adamson University, number 6, Trisha Genesis. Opposite hitter from De La Salle University, number 9, Rovi Estrella. Center from San Francisco State University, number 10, Iris Tolenada. Middle blocker from the University of Santo Tomas, number 12, Casey Galtones. Middle blocker also from UST, number 17, Pia Abu. Starting libero from the Ateneo de Manila University, number 19, Roma May Doromal. And now the starters for the Creamline Cool Smashers. Outside spiker from the Ateneo de Manila University, number 2, team captain Eliza Valdez. Center from the Far Eastern University, number 1, Kyle Negrito. Middle blocker from the National University, number 5, Sheena Toring. Middle blocker from the College of St. Benilde, number 6, Pangs Panaga. Opposite hitter from De La Salle University, number 7, Michelle Gumbabao. Outside spiker from Adamson University, number 23, Gemma Galanza. Starting libero from FEU, number 11, Kyla
Pablo, another rookie here.
Ang maganda sa middle blocker lineup ni Coach Jorge ay kaya nilang mag-slide. Not all middle blockers are comfortable with slide attacks.
Creamline has opened up a 4-point lead and a service ace. Toring has been hanging out in that service line for quite a long time now. Shola Alvarez off the bench for a much needed Estrella.
That's a good option for macro attacks. Hindi na sila nagiging second option. Sometimes they're really the primary player to go to.
And a service ace.
So that's been the issue of Capital One.
It doesn't matter to them.
But they always take it one game at a time. I mean, itong grupo ng girls na to sobrang competitive, not just in
like
the BBL, but also in training.
Competitive ba usapan niyo?
Probably the most competitive person I know.
She hates. Good receive for Roma. Sing. That one straight to the net, and so in convincing fashion, Creamline winning it 25-10. No signs of rustiness for the Cool Smashers, as this is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. And there you have it. First set has come to a close. Eliza Valdez now, so check the website if we are going to a city near you. A service ace for Iris Tolenada to open things up.
Receivers of Capital One. So for Capital One, they need to do the same. They need to serve hard to at least get a chance of pushing Creamline to go for the broken plays.
Gina Toring also had a great first set. She was in the service line for quite a long time. That's where they got and opened up a big lead in Estrella. Speaking of her sets, she was that bright spot on his quest for another championship. The drop for Galanza will not work, but the block for Panaga will. Technical timeout, 2-point lead for Creamline. 8 a.m. live on NBA TV Philippines, One Sports, RPTV, and Pilipinas Live app. Galanza rejects. Genesis from the other side. Negrito now to MG from the opposite side. It's still in play. The set for a quick hit by Pangs Panaga.
She was really asking for that ball. She saw an opportunity to score for Creamline and she took it.
Monday, 8 a.m. live on NBA TV Philippines, One Sports, RPTV, and the Pilipinas Live app. Sabi nga ni Janet, tomorrow she will root for Tyrese Haliburton. Ikaw, Neil, sinong player i-root mo?
SJ.
Wow! The MVP, just like Creamline with multiple MVPs. 7-point lead. And a spark for Shola Alvarez.
Getting a check ball off Sheena Turing. They need all the attack points that they can get. Lalo na papalapit na yung Creamline sa 20-point mark.
Yung timeout kasi fireworks yung pinakinggan nila. So hopefully Shola could provide some fireworks here. Still down big by 6. What a service ace. So fireworks na. Back-to-back points for Shola Alvarez.
Shank pass will give a 3-point to the Solar Spikers. The second service ace of Capital One. Mga wing spikers ng Creamline kung saan nakapwesto yung defenders. So if they backpedal, that's the time that they go for those drops. Shola Alvarez scoring once again for Capital One.
Gandang bawi kay Shola Alvarez. Take a look at this rewind.
So far, gumagana yung mga substitutions ng Capital One every time they put people in.
Coach Jorge was talking about no more drop balls, please, on that timeout. It's been a weapon of choice here for Creamline, who are 2 points away from getting a 2-0 lead. Estrella, in the meantime, has other plans.
Sa ngayon, nakikita natin yung bagong 1-2 punch ng Capital One. It's Shola Alvarez and Estrella doing the damage.
Turing. That is relentless.
Fresh off a UAAP championship.
Set point. Thank you, Sheena Turing. Tough back set. I am telling you, there's a different version of Estrella we are seeing today.
She keeps on challenging the blockers. She keeps on scoring. Capital One still keeping it close in set number 2, but Creamline has 3 set points.
What a serve by Galdones. Valdez.
Make that 2 set points. Creamline is asking for a check ball.
Cruz with Bella. And how will they fit in? And yes. Yes, there was. And Eliza Valdez is sure of it. A successful challenge. The Creamline Cool Smashers will win set number 2. This is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's Vitamin Power with lead. Shola. Galdones, easy put down. Oh, service ace for Max Panaga.
Line.
Lumaba from the opposite side. Doramal sailing it to Singh. Creamline. A really great series, but now we open things up again in our first day of our on-tour version. Malabanan after that hiatus, as Jana mentioned. A chance here. Iris. Mostero. They have this connection, these two.
She can play with the C pass.
That block.
Torres. Find the gap. Back to Alvarez. Torres digging. Galanza putting it away.
Such a classic hit from Gemma Galanza. Zone 1 was way open from Capital One. Now they will head into the second technical timeout with the lead.
Looking to sweep this one and call it a day. Gemma.
2 steps forward for the Cool Smashers. Gemma Galanza again challenging the block.
Smiling. In the meantime, Ostero. Celis. It's still alive. Let's see what Creamline does here. Bernardo. Good recovery by Negrito. And Lodi Bernardo will score. This spike of the set is brought to you by Dunkin' Pasalubong ng Bayan.
Didn't even
Good blockings for Creamline. Genesis tries to go behind. Bernardo. Not quite yet, says Malabanan. The love tap from the back. Soriano. Pancake save. Bernardo with the finisher.
3 straight points for Lodi Bernardo. And that will seal the deal for the Cool Smashers as they register their first win in our PBL On Tour Conference.
3 straight points for the finishing kick, as this is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's Vitamin Powered Whitening Lotion. Lodi Bernardo with the perfect ending as the Creamline Cool Smashers